Chicken 1 kilogram. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon. Coat it well and marinate for 1 hour. Add whole spices. Roast for 2 to 4 minutes. Transfer to a mixer grinder jar. Grind it coarsely and set aside. Soaked 10 cashews. Soaked 10 almonds. 3 green chiles. Milk 2 tablespoons. Grind to fine paste and set aside. On medium heat, oil 3 tablespoons. 2 medium onions sliced. Sauté onions until translucent. Add marinade chicken. On medium heat, mix well. Cook the chicken for 4 to 5 minutes. Later, cover it and cook for 5 more minutes. Stir in between. Yogurt 1/4 cup. Milk 1/2 cup. Add cashew almond paste. Add ground masala. Salt to taste. Mix well, cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Stir in between. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well, and the Maharani chicken is ready. Ready to serve.